Hello. Welcome back to some more freelance work.
Freelance graphic design.
Wink. We're working on Lumpy Juice's Twitch channel. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description if you want to go check it out. And today should be the last episode. We just got 2 more things to wrap up here. Today we're doing his offline picture and this kind of bar scene that he puts up when he's just chilling. So first we're gonna get started on the bar scene. We're just gonna draw these in Photoshop. Go as quick as we can here. And then the bar scene, we need to leave room. We need to leave a square for him to put video, like a video stream. And it's gonna be like a TV in the back of the bar. And then we'll probably put the Lumpy Juice character in and a spot for him to put his webcam stream in there. All right, so let's jump into that. Get her done. Blah, 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 blah. Here we go. All right, we got the bar scene finished. Pretty happy with it, looks pretty good. So I left room here on the left for Lumpy Juice to put like his webcam when he's chilling. And then over here we got the Lumpy character, LJ, I guess, Lumpy Juice. Having a drink with him, giving him a cheers. And then here in the center, we have a little TV, which he can put his gameplay in for the stream. So yeah, pretty simple layout, not too detailed. Just wanted to bang it out real quick. I kept the foreground separated from the background in case he needs to like put himself behind the bar. I don't know if he can do that with just lining up good. He might be able to just line it up right, but just in case, I kept it separated. The bottles I just duplicated. I did like 4 different bottles and duplicated them all for time's sake. And all right, so yeah, now we just got to do the offline picture, which he wanted it to be like recovering from a night of drinking. So we'll do a quick drawing of the Lumpy Juice character hungover and recovering, and then we'll be done. So let's get that out of the way real quick. Okay, here it is. This is the offline picture. Recovering, stream again soon. I just try to make him look all fucked up and hungover. Went with the, what is it, Cobble typeface that we've been using throughout his channel. Yeah, Copal. Got it on Typekit. Yeah, pretty straightforward here. Just close up on him looking like he's hurting. Looking really messed up. And yeah, I think that's everything. Here's the bar scene again. So I'm gonna send all this out to him, and I'm pretty sure that's all we gotta do for this project. Another one in the books. Make sure you check out Lumpy Juice's Twitch channel. I'll leave a link to it down below so you can see all this stuff in action and watch him play some video games if you want. Yeah, this was probably the biggest freelance project I've taken on so far, and I had a lot of fun with it. It was right up my alley stylistically with the character design and all that jazz. I had a lot of fun. Let me know what you guys think. Hit me up if you need some freelance work. Thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you in the next one.